fractions. Here are 3 equations to help you better understand how to solve them. The first question goes like this. Kendra bought 4 1/8 cups of blueberries. She eats 2/3 of cups in a serving. How many servings did Kendra purchase? So what we know is that she bought 4 1/8 cups, and that she will eat 2/3 of a cup per serving. So our first step is to not simplify this, but make the fractions have the same denominator. This will make your job easy. So 4 1/8 divided by 2/3. Now we'll make this an improper fraction. 33, because 4 times 8 is 32, plus 1 is 33. So 33 over 8 divided by 2/3 equals x, or the number of servings. So to make this a bit easier, we're gonna do it like this. Now to make these have the same denominator, you just have to multiply the 2 denominators together, and then multiply the tops of each side, the numerators, by the denominators. So this then becomes 99 over 24, because 8 times 3 is 24, 3 times 33 is 99. And we're dividing that by 2/3, which becomes 16 over 24, because they have the same denominator, but you are just multiplying 8 and 2 to make these the same. So next, we really don't need to look at this part right here, because they are the same denominator. So now all you are doing is 99 cups, 99 divided by 16. Now, how many times can you put 16 into 9? 0. That's correct. Now, how many times can you put 16 into 99? 6. So then we just subtract 96, since 6 times 16 is 96. We have 3 left over. So that will be 3 out of 16. So she has 6 and 3/16 servings of blueberries. Next question goes something like this. Daniel made 1 2/9 quarts of hot chocolate. He has mugs that he wants to fill with 1/7 quarts of hot chocolate. How many mugs will Daniel be able to fill in this equation? So to start, let's make 1 2/9 an improper fraction to make this a little easier. So 1 times 9 is 9, plus 2 is 11 over 9. So now we are dividing that into 1/7 of a quart. So now, to make this a little bit easier, we're going to simplify these the same way that we did with the other one. So 11 over 9 divided by 1/7 turns into the denominator being 63. So 63 is going to be written under both of these. Seven times 11, which becomes 77 for the improper fraction, and 9 times 1 for what we are dividing by. So again, we can just ignore the bottom portion right here, or we can multiply it by 63 to make it just equal 77 divided by 9. So now, let's set this up. 77 divided by 9. So how many times can you put 7 into 9? Or 9 into 7? 0 times. How many times can you put 7 or 9 into 77? Did you say 8? Because that is correct. Because 9 times 8 is 72. That leaves us with 5. So it should be 8 5/9 cups of hot chocolate are able to be poured. The final question of the day. Veronica has 1/2 pounds of M&Ms that she wants to split equally between 3 3/4 of candy dishes. How many M&Ms will Veronica put in each candy dish? So, what we are doing is dividing 1/2 pound into 3 3/4 of a dish. So let's make this a bit easier. 3 3/4. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 3 is 15 over 4. So we have 1/2 that is being divided into 15 over 4. Now, this is interesting because 2 can go into 4 evenly, right? Because 4 can be divided by 2. So we actually don't need to multiply these two together. We just need to multiply this 2 here to equal 4. And what we basically do is 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that turns into 2/4 being divided into 15/4. So we can just multiply this by 4. So we are just doing 2 divided by 15. So we have 2, which is being divided by 15. Now, we can't put anything into 2 or with 15. So this just becomes a fraction of 2 over 15. Meaning, Veronica can have 2/15 of a pound in each glass. That is all for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this helped. Goodbye.